So as I discussed in the conference also, the ADAS is built upon the base foundation which is given by vehicle dynamics. And as the vehicles are becoming more sophisticated, more sensors are coming into the picture, the pressure or the output which vehicle dynamics has to give is also rising. The technology has to be in time and be advanced as the ADAS and autonomous functions are coming. As you see in autonomous vehicles, many of the commands and many of the decisions are taken by the brainchild of a computer. So in that context, if you want to give a natural feeling to the customer who is driving the vehicle or getting into the pleasure of riding, so the vehicle dynamics and the suspension and the brakes, they have to be very consistent in their performance. We cannot have variations from vehicle to vehicle, so that the computer is going to take decision based on certain algorithms. So that brings a lot of pressure on the vehicle dynamics, where the consistency, product quality and the utilization of lot of sensors, G sensors, force sensors is coming into the picture, and things are advancing, and I see that in near future in India also a lot of such products are going to come. Yes, we are definitely working for the future toward ADAS. We are working on vehicles and we will be soon launching vehicles with ADAS functions. And as Maruti, we strive upon our capability to understand the local market and bring a product which meets what our customer, our road conditions require. So we are doing a lot of work in that direction also, so that when we launch our vehicle in ADAS, it is not just a feature list. It is beyond that. It meets the customer requirements and it matches the requirement of Indian road conditions and traffic conditions. So Indian customer is very, very sensitive to cost and the value he gets from the money he is spending. I would say that today the costs are high, but maybe this conference like we are doing, where not only OEMs but also component makers and other strategic decision makers are involved, we all need to collaborate together, so that we can bring this technology at a very cost effective way. And one way to do that is that lot of indigenization of resources needs to be done. If the technology is developed within India, the sensors are made within India, so those things definitely will take care of the cost aspect. But definitely the cost is something which Indian customer will always be very, very critical about. Yeah, see, not only ADAS, whatever technology development which comes in automobile it is definitely a collaborative work. But then certain things are in collaboration, but certain things are designed, developed in-house. So Maruti has always been pioneering the art of tuning the vehicles, developing the vehicles which are more specific to the requirements of the customers of Maruti and of Indian context as well. We have done this in like for example, I have been looking after ride handling, and we have been very meticulously working to develop the vehicles which suit our road conditions, not only rough roads but highway, high speed testing and other things. So with that context, even in ADAS, of course it's going to be a collaborative roadmap, but then there are going to be in-house efforts by OEMs as well. See, whenever a technology comes, and specifically ADAS, it's not only the components of ADAS which are getting added. It's a whole lot of platform sort of thing, and lot of platform related changes are required. Components not only related to ADAS but other areas also do change, and that is why from the cost perspective the overall cost of the vehicles goes higher. However, we also need to work upon all these areas so that we are able to control the cost. We are currently at level 2 ADAS, moving towards level 3 maybe in near future. Level 4 is something where it is actually allowed to drive the vehicle without any human intervention. But level 2 which we are giving in India is basically to assist a driver to be safe. It is not removing or replacing the driver. So that also is a challenge for us OEMs, how to educate people so that they understand that ultimately the control of the vehicle has to be taken by the driver. What you called AI or whatever the softwares which are in ADAS working towards the safety are only to enhance that safety. So just an example, for example, when you have to make a brake, so you see some scenario, you process that in your brain and you take a braking action. But sometimes the driver may be distracted or his reflexes may be slower as compared to what is the demand of the situation. So these are the situations where these ADAS technologies come into the picture. They detect, decide, okay, the human intervention is little delayed and we need a automated intervention. That is when these technologies help in reducing the accidents. But in case our customers do not drive the vehicles responsibly, and if we consider that ADAS will take care of the things, definitely the safety will become a concern, and we need to educate our customers a lot. I think lot of efforts are being done, and customer education is through the vehicle delivery experience. At that time, lot of education is being given, and I think we need to do more to make the customer educated. We see videos of people doing funny things on the vehicles. So it is being done, but it needs to go a little mile ahead. Sustainability talks about lot many things. When we talk about ADAS, enhancing safety, reducing accidents, maybe increasing the life of the overall usage of the vehicle, in some way they do help sustainability. But sorry, I'm not able to directly link both.